Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Baraski. Today I'll be showing you how to install eFootball on your Android phone from Google Play Store without any difficulty. If you follow the full tutorial, don't skip any part. First, we need a VPN, so open Google Play Store and search for Super VPN. Then click on install to install it. Then wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, then click on open. Click on continue. Allow. Wait for a second. Click on continue. Connect. Okay. Now you are connected to the VPN. Now go back home and open your settings and look for Google Play Store. Once you see it, then click on it. Click on storage and coach. Click on clear storage, then OK. Now you have to go back to your home and reopen Google Play Store again. Click on accept. Now you can search for PES 2021 and it will be available. But make sure that before doing this you are connected to the VPN. Now you see it is available, then you click on install. Now click on continue. Skip. Now you decide which one will you choose, then press OK and the installation will start. So if you find this video interesting, can you please like, subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you won't miss the future video.